Hey guys, and welcome back to more live fire grilling with Lumber Capital Log Yard. Today we are grilling lamb chops, and I am of course particularly excited about this because I hear that they are excellent cuts and lamb is my favorite. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Okay, tonight we're going to have lamb chops, and we have some premium lamb chops here from Misty Mountain Farms. I mean premium. We're going to spice them up before we take them to the grill. We use garlic powder, onion powder, some hot spice, and some allspice. We don't put the traditional rosemary on our lamb. I've heard a lot of remarks about people not liking lamb, and I'm not sure exactly why that reason is, but it's a very pungent odor with the rosemary and stuff like that, and a lot of people say they don't like rosemary. So if you like rosemary, you can put it on your lamb. We're not going to use it tonight. We'll spice this all up, get this shook up good, and get it all over everything. We initially poured some coconut aminos on here. It's really good for breaking up the toughness of meat. And if you have some meat that you think might be tough, it does not hurt to put that on there first. You don't taste it when it cooks, but it definitely will take a tough piece of meat if you marinate it in there, and it will make it much more tender. Look at those Misty Mountain Farm lamb chops. I'm looking forward to this. We don't overcook our lamb either. It will be somewhat more pink in the middle, the tender way. We can just put all of this on there, it'll fall off out there in the grill. You can't put too much on there, I don't believe, because it's going to fall off and get knocked out when you're working it. Okay, I think we're ready to go to the grill. Okay, we previously got our fire going, so we got a real nice bed of coals. We're going to sear this good. I just like to do it that way. It's not anything set in stone, whatever your desire is. We're just enjoying having a good meal and working with this grill. The Lone Star grills you can look at on internet. You can find them. It's GRILZ, Lone Star Grills. And this type of cooking, you can't wait till dinner's ready and then go out there and throw some charcoal in there and burn it real quick. The tradition is to get your wood burning and get a good bed of coals and enjoy enjoy this type of cooking. Okay, let's put these on. Sizzling. The size of those. One thing that's nice about this type of cooking is that you can enjoy the fine cuisine without having to go out on the town, and you can cook it to your taste. We almost got started late here. This daylight savings time put us an hour behind, and I almost wasn't ready for that sun to go down, but I guess we'll get used to it. Oh, and somebody's made a suggestion that I needed a longer shovel, and I just happened to find one in one of the stores down here, so I don't have to get my hand in there. It's a fireplace shovel, wrought iron, it's a nice shovel. We got a good enough bed of coals, we can cook half the night here. I did good. Got caught in the dark here, but that's okay. But I believe this lamb is ready for the table, and we'll get it off of here, and next week I'll put a light up here so I can see. Good char on it, still soft, so I think we're ready to take this off and put it on the table. I think we've had this on there probably 15 minutes is all. If you got a hot enough fire, and that way you can get it cooked and locked in the juices, didn't drip a bunch. This stuff will flare up quite a bit if you don't watch it, but I didn't have a problem. So we'll take it off the grill and take it to the table.
That's it for today's video, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.